Good morning, children.
Good morning, teacher.
Have you tried the problem I assigned last lecture?
Yes, teacher.
Great! Can someone share the code with me?
Yes, here's the code.
Fantastic! You did an excellent job. Your understanding of data acceptance and applying math operators is clear.
Yes, teacher.
Now we will work to refine your program. This means we will write it in a more systematic way, which is called good programming practices. It helps make the code more readable for the programmer.
Oh,
You should always add comments in your program.
I didn't understand.
Let me show you. We will add one line at the beginning of a program, starting with hash symbol.
It is simple English statement.
When a line starts with a hash, the compiler ignores it. It's just for us to understand what the code does. Let's add some more comments.
What difference does it make in program execution?
None. It's just for us, the coders, to get hints about what the code is doing.
If we want to add a comment of more than one line, then each line should start with hash.
Good question. Instead, we can enclose all the comment lines in triple quotes,
How?
like this.
Can we use double quotes?
Yes, absolutely.
We will modify our previous code by adding comments.
Great!
Can we have more ways to refine our code?
Yes, there are. But we will learn that in the next lecture. Bye, kids!
Bye, teacher.
Hello, friends. Today, Audie and his buddies learned about good programming practices and how to use comments in their code. Here's what we discovered. Comments help programmers understand what the code does without affecting its execution. You can use a single hash for one-line comments or triple quotes for multi-line comments. Now it's your turn to refine your own code. Remember, comments make everything clearer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning. See you next time.